How to turn on the camera in Google Chrome. First of all, open Google Chrome. Click on the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings. From the left side menu, click on Privacy and Security, then go to Site Settings. Scroll down to the Permissions section and click on Camera. First, make sure the correct camera is selected, such as the OBS virtual camera if you're using it. Then, under Default Behavior, ensure that Sites can ask to use your camera is turned on. Now, when you visit a website that wants to use your camera, you'll see a pop-up in the top left corner asking for permission. Simply click Allow. You can also manage camera access for specific websites. To do this, open the website where you want to use the camera, click on the Site Options icon in the top left corner of the address bar, and select Site Settings. Scroll down to Permissions, find Camera, and set it to Allow. After making the change, reload the page to apply the updated settings. Your camera should now be enabled and ready to use. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.